That said, there are some concerns. AI could ruin Salesforce. This could lead to challenges for the company. Salesforce hosted its first AI Day on June 12th, with mixed reactions. Personally, I'm cautiously optimistic. That said, there are some concerns. While Salesforce's integration of AI into their products is generally seen as a good thing, and a move towards innovation and staying competitive, there are arguments to be made to suggest that this could lead to challenges for the company. Here are 3 potential reasons why AI could ruin Salesforce. 1. Cost implications for customers. Salesforce has become more and more bloated over time. And AI is not just a little addition to the Salesforce platform. It is one of the 3 pillars that Salesforce wants to stand on moving forward. As Salesforce integrates more advanced AI features into the platform, the cost of providing these services is likely to increase. And these costs will likely be passed on to the customer. For small and medium-sized businesses operating on tighter budgets, this could be a significant deterrent, leading them to seek more affordable alternatives. Right now, there are a few ways to get a hold of Einstein GPT, and I don't think that they're outrageously expensive on a per license basis. But the pricing models may not have accurately predicted demand, and may cause ripple effects across the board with the amount of investment Salesforce is putting into AI. Number 2, data privacy concerns. AI algorithms often require access to large amounts of data to function effectively. As Salesforce integrates its AI products into the platform, it has to be done very carefully, ensuring that when they collect, store, and analyze that data, that none of it will be leaked out or misused in any way. Now, so far, it is very clear that Salesforce is taking this very seriously. The trust layer has been a big part of the go-to-market strategy as Salesforce has announced AI in Salesforce. Reason number 3, resource allocation and focus. Developing and maintaining AI capabilities is resource intensive, requiring specialized talent, computational power, and ongoing research and development. Salesforce could find itself stretched too thin, trying to excel in both its core CRM services and cutting-edge AI technology. This could lead to a dilution of focus and quality in their primary offerings, making them vulnerable to competitors who are specializing in simplicity, without being completely distracted by AI. It's worth noting that these are totally speculative points, and Salesforce's integration of AI could also offer many advantages that help the company to maintain or even extend its market leadership. From what I know, it seems like the pros far outweigh the cons, and Salesforce is probably making a good bet. Nonetheless, these are potential pitfalls that could, in theory, lead to challenges for the company. Please subscribe and like. The script for this video was brought to you by ChatGPT. If you want to know my thoughts about how this will likely play out and the validity of each of these points, watch the video I will link up above. If you watched to the end, let me know in the comments. See you next time.